How to change your birthday on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change your birthday on TikTok. So let's get into it. First, what you guys have to do is you will open up your TikTok application, and when we sign up for TikTok, they actually ask for our age and our birthday. So if it's saying that you're now younger than 13, or if there's any other problem and you want to change your birthday, so for that you'll have to go to your profile. It will open up your profile on TikTok, and you have to click on these three dots. Then you have to click on settings and privacy. So we have our settings and privacy. Here you can see there is no such option to change our birthday. So if you want to do that, you can either go ahead and create a brand new account, or what you can do is you can go to support and click on report a problem. So it will open this for you, and you can see we have different topics. What you need to do is you can click on account and profile, then click on manage account, or you can go to like profile page. Any option from here, you can just select it. Then you're gonna select no, need more help, and here you will type I want to change my birthday, and you can enter some details as well, and make sure to add your username too that you have on TikTok. So type in the username too, and if you have any screen recording or if you have any picture, you can upload up to 4 pictures and 1 screen recording as well, and click on report. Once you click on report, this problem will be sent to TikTok and they will get back to you in 24 hours and your problem will be solved. They will help you change your birthday. So this is the easiest way and reliable way to change your birthday on TikTok. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.